Hello beauties, welcome to Winnie Styles. If you really like clean minimalistic aesthetics, you are sure to like this beautiful short natural cut. This haircut effortlessly integrates the pattern you prefer, and is a haircut for beautiful matured women. It's a cut that puts that visual anchor at your mid-neck level, and you can see how the haircut will really add those lightness and movement to your appearance. This haircut, you can see, is beautiful, and it's a style that works well for beautiful women that are busy. I love the style because it's a style that is versatile, and it will take many years of your age. So you can see how it's not just useful, but it proves that shorter hair can be just as useful, better than longer course. So this is a haircut for everyone, because whether you have the long face or you have the oval face or you have the oblong face, no matter the shape of your face, this haircut will bring out the uniqueness in you. So when cut right, this haircut requires that minimal heat styling for it to look good, and you can see how it will always make you looking healthier and always accentuate your face. I love the style because it just needs that little care to keep its sharpness, and you can see how, don't forget that you should always go for regular touch-ups, maybe every 4 to 6 weeks, to really maintain your signature sleek look. Don't forget to subscribe your first time here in Winnie Styles, and let us know your minds in the comment section below. I want to say a big thank you to my returning subscribers and to my new subscribers. God bless you guys, and see you in my next upload. Bye for now.